Nick Durant here with Tattoo University, and today I'm going to show you a practice that will help you learn how to take your gloves off properly. Now, I've had this idea for a while, and it came to me when I'm working on my truck or I'm doing something that's really messy and I'm wearing gloves, and then I have to take them off without getting motor oil or paint and other things on my hands. I've been thinking of a way to turn this into an actual practice where you can learn how to take off your gloves properly. And because of the recent COVID-19 scare, I just figured this was the time to do it. I know you guys are thinking, oh my God, he's talking about safety stuff again. This guy, always about the safety. But this could actually save your life or somebody else's life at this time. So it's really important that you learn how to do this properly. So another reason why I'm doing this video is you guys haven't heard from me for a while. You probably forgot who I am, so let me reintroduce myself. Nick Durant. This is Tattoo University, and we talk about tattoo stuff, safety. I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still here. I might have aged a little bit. I might look a little different, so you guys need to see my face again and just let you know that I'm not going anywhere. I'm here, and I'm going to teach you a lot of cool stuff. We've got a lot of videos coming up. You just gotta have a little patience and they will come your way. So what I've been doing during this whole coronavirus scare is staying in my garage, out of everybody's way, just working on tattoo machines, getting stuff done, and building things. I've been reading a good book, staying safe and staying away from everybody. But thanks to your gentle nudges, I am going to do some videos and get those videos out there because you're probably sitting at home, bored, and you're trying to learn about tattooing stuff as well. So recently I've moved. You can see things have changed. Everything is set up more like a studio so I can get better lighting and shoot better videos for you guys. So doing these videos kind of takes a little effort. It's like work. You got to kind of get into the mood. So we're going to ease back into this kind of like a proctologist would ease you into your prostate exam, kind of like, it's okay, buddy, don't worry, I'm going to use a lot of lube, it's going to go in real easy, I got you. Yeah, I'll use lots of lube here. Got you. We're going to do this nice and easy. It's going to be over before you know it. So that brings us to our next video, and that is how do I remove these gloves and not get Vaseline all over myself? Or the other question might be, do I want to get Vaseline all over myself? You're just going to have to watch and see. What inspired me to do this video has been the recent events with our nasty little coronavirus and some of the things I've been seeing other people doing. And one of those things was a little boy running around the dollar store wearing gloves. And yet this little boy was touching everything, touching his face, picking things up, and just wearing these gloves like they were going to protect him. The gloves can actually cause problems if you don't do it correctly, and there's a proper way to wear gloves. And you don't just leave them on all day long, you have to change them out. So that's what inspired this video. You can thank a little chubby boy that was running around the dollar store for this. First, I'm going to give a shout out to Maker Kobolinski. Hopefully I didn't mess that up too bad. Los Angeles, California. Because of our lovely coronavirus pandemic, we're seeing a lot of videos like this on Instagram. It's about washing your hands and how to wash your hands correctly. But I'm going to take this a step further, and I'm going to use this video to show you how to remove your gloves correctly. Pop over to Instagram and watch that video on how to wash your hands. And then come back to me, and I'm going to take that one step further and show you how to take off your gloves properly. This is printing ink. Anybody who does printmaking or lithography knows this is really nasty stuff, and it's really goopy. This is also time sensitive because it'll get goopy really fast, so I have to do this, put a lot on there. I'm going to double up to show you how this is going to work. Don't be afraid. Okay, now I'm going to pretend like I'm washing my hands the correct way, and if I do this properly, my whole hands should be covered with this printer's block ink, and my entire glove should be blue. This is how you should always wash your hands, and don't just put on gloves right before a tattoo and think you're good. You should always wash your hands before you put your gloves on, and dry your hands properly too. You don't want wet, nasty hands inside of the gloves. And you want to change the gloves out regularly after you've been wearing them for a little while, because actually wearing the gloves and your hands sweating will actually cause bacteria to grow even more. Okay, now we look like the blue man group here. We don't want any blue on our skin. For this to work properly, go out, grab a dog turd or do something really nasty, get it all over your gloves, and then try to get your gloves off without getting anything on your hands and on your skin. Like so. So I'm not touching the outside of the glove, I am just touching the inside of the glove. Voila. This gets disposed of. And there you go. That should be the result you're looking for. No blue, no paint, no oil, whatever you touched. No dog turds, nothing on your hands once you take those gloves off. Okay, so on that note, everybody go out, get your bloodborne pathogens certificate, learn as much as you can about tattooing. Tattoo safe, stay away from coronavirus, and have a good day.